So there's a pretty cool feature in Photoshop that I didn't know for years and years, and I wish I knew it was possible, and that is transforming selections. So a lot of times you are creating a selection. Maybe I've got the marquee tool and I want to select some of this, and for whatever reason, you end up with a selection that you really need to transform. Maybe the size of the text changed. Maybe this used to be a 6-letter word and now it's, well, whatever that is, 9-letter word. And I need to transform this selection, but anytime I press Command or Control T, which is free transform, it either doesn't do anything or it gives me an error message, or it, when I move this, it like will cut out part of my image. Any of that is an issue, but there is a way to transform this selection. So I've got this selection. I want to maybe transform it, make it bigger, right? If I want to do that, I need to select a selection tool, doesn't matter what. And now I could click and drag to move it around, but I could also right-click on this, go to Transform Selection right there. That does not show up unless you have a selection tool selected. Now, this is just like the free Transform tool, where I can grab the edge of this selection and bring it over here. If I didn't want it to increase in proportionally, like the height or whatever, I just wanted to increase the width, I could make sure to hold Shift while I do that transformation, let go, press the return key to commit this, or click this commit button right here. And now I've transformed that selection to be larger. Now this is a very basic example. However, you'll find yourself at times wishing you'd selected a little more or needing to just get the selection perfect. Like for instance, if I'm out here selecting this and it's not exactly clicking to the edges of like this text, and maybe I wanted it to be selected to the edge of the O, what's nice is I could zoom in here a lot more after I made that selection and then go back to my selection tool, do the exact same thing, right click, transform selection. Now I can see at a pixel level that I'm getting that selection maybe just perfect. Right now I think it's snapping into something. I'm going to turn off snap. Yeah, because I don't want it to snap to anything. So now this selection should be able to be made pretty quick and easy right there along. You can see how this selection's actually along the pixels there. The transformation box is just a little bit off of that. But anyway, once we have that, we could click the return key. Now I know I've selected down to the pixel and transformed that selection perfectly. Because sometimes when you're making a selection, you're not all the way zoomed in like that. So it does help to be able to do that and transform those selections. Here in Photoshop, select a selection tool, like just the rectangular marquee, and then you can right-click and transform any selection you have here in your document.